class! Hello, friends! It's Jolly Frost, your friendly snowman, and today we're going to decorate a Christmas tree. Are you ready to help me? Let's go! First, let's talk about the tree decorations. Bauble! Bauble! Tinsel! Tinsel! Ribbon! Ribbon! Christmas lights! Christmas lights! Angel! Angel! Bell! Bell! Star! Star! Presents! Presents! All right, friends, let's start decorating this beautiful Christmas tree together. First, let's add the shiny baubles. We've got beautiful red ones, and green ones too. Look how they sparkle. Now, let's make the tree shine even more with some tinsel. Wow, it looks so sparkly already. Next, let's add some colorful ribbons. These will make the tree even more festive. Oh, we can't forget the Christmas lights. Let's wrap them all around. Look, they're twinkling like little stars. Now, let's add the beautiful angels to the tree. Let's place them on the branches where everyone can see them. Aren't they lovely? Time to hang the shiny bells. Let's spread them out so they jingle all over. And finally, the most important part, the star on top of the tree. Can you help me reach up there? Perfect. It's shining so brightly. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's go over what we added to our Christmas tree. First, we hung the shiny baubles. They sparkle so nicely on the branches. Then we wrapped the tree with glistening tinsel. And colorful ribbons too, to make it look even more festive. After that, we added the glowing Christmas lights. They make the whole tree shine brightly. Next, we placed the lovely angels. And shiny bells to add that special Christmas touch. And finally, we carefully put the big, beautiful star right at the very top. Oh, and don't forget, I've got some presents waiting under the tree too. Now it's all ready for Christmas. Doesn't it look magical? Thanks for decorating the tree with me today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more festive fun with me, Jolly Frost. Happy holidays and see you next time.